for gardening videos. So please visit my channel, and I have playlists, and I have a separate playlist for gardening, and I have all my gardening videos here. If you are interested, please check out. Yeah, I got my rose plants from Lowe's. So if you are planning to buy rose plants, better to buy now. So again, if it is after March, right? So again the prices will go up. So I got my rose plants for $9.99, and also there were few others for $12.99. I'm planting these rose plants in my front yard. So I was planning to plant this last year. Because of COVID, I didn't find a good rose plants. So this year I went bit early. So I got these different colors of rose. So this is my current front yard, which is all dried up because of winter. Yeah, removing all my old flower plants. So I have these plants which were provided by builder, but I'm planning to remove them and plant rose plants now. So mainly I'm planning to put the rose plants in front, so that whenever if someone comes, right, so it looks good. Yeah, when you are done with digging, so better remove all the stones and other plants roots, so that right, a rose plant roots has more space to grow. Yeah, one very important point is here, don't pull the plant from the pot. You have to slowly move the pot with the soil, same soil what you have in the pot. You have to pull the whole thing out, and then you have to move to the ground. Yeah, make sure the surrounding, right, don't have any rocks or anything. Just clean that up. And also, right, once you have put the plant in the ground, press properly so that right, roots holds the soil. And if you want, put more soil on the top. Yeah, once you are done planting, yeah, pour water. And one more thing is, in the front yard, don't put too much mulch on the rose plant. Again, plant need some space to breathe. Okay, that's very important thing. So rose plants are 365 days plants, so no need to worry about in winter. So in winter this goes away and it gets dried, but when it in the spring, right, it start growing back. So maybe in the spring you can prune it and then it will start growing. And if you see my plants, right, so those are already pruned, and when it weather gets better, it will start growing back. Hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Happy gardening!